Imagine trillions of tiny organisms living inside you right now, controlling everything from your mood to your immunity. They're deciding how tired you feel, how focused you are, and even how much fat your body stores. This invisible ecosystem is your gut microbiome, and new research shows it could be the real boss of your health.
Your gut isn't just a digestion system. It's a complex city made of over 100 trillion microbes. Think of it like a rainforest inside your belly. The more species you have, the healthier it is. Each bacterium plays a unique role. Some digest food, others manage hormones, while many protect you from harmful invaders. Scientists now call it your second brain because it communicates directly with your central nervous system through something called the vagus nerve.
When your microbiome is balanced, your body feels incredible. You sleep better, think clearer, and have stable energy all day. But when it's out of balance because of junk food, stress, or antibiotics, everything starts to feel off. Bloating, fatigue, poor concentration, even unexplained anxiety. They often trace back to gut imbalance. It's not just in your stomach, it's your entire body sending a warning signal.
Here's the shocking part. 90% of your serotonin, the chemical that regulates mood and happiness, is made in your gut, not your brain. When your gut bacteria are unhappy, they send stress signals to your brain, making you anxious or sluggish. That's why many experts now believe that improving gut health can naturally boost mood, motivation, and focus without relying on stimulants or sugar highs. Ready to rebuild your inner ecosystem? Science points to 5 powerful foods that feed your microbiome and help it thrive. First, fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. They're packed with live probiotics, the friendly bacteria that naturally refill your gut every single day. Think of them as new citizens moving into your inner city, rebuilding neighborhoods that may have been damaged by stress or processed foods. Even a few spoonfuls a day can make a noticeable difference over time. Second, fiber-rich plants. Foods like oats, bananas, spinach, and beans give your microbes the fuel they need to multiply. Fiber isn't just roughage, it's the main energy source for your gut bacteria. When they digest it, they release special compounds that help maintain a healthy environment inside you. So every time you eat plants, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding billions of tiny allies. Third, garlic and onions. These might seem ordinary, but they're among the most powerful gut-friendly ingredients you can add to your meals. They act as natural prebiotics, food for the good bacteria, while gently keeping the harmful ones under control. They also add depth and flavor to your cooking, so improving your gut doesn't mean giving up taste. Fourth, green tea and dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate can be good for your gut when it's dark and minimally processed. Both green tea and cacao are rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which calm the gut lining and help your microbes flourish. That's why sipping tea or savoring a square of dark chocolate can actually support balance in your inner ecosystem. And finally, legumes like lentils and chickpeas. A recent study found that people who regularly ate legumes had up to 32% greater bacterial diversity in their gut. They're rich in fiber, minerals, and plant protein, making them a triple win for energy, digestion, and long-term health support. Each bite of these foods literally shapes how your microbiome behaves tomorrow. You're not just eating for today's hunger, you're planting seeds for a stronger, more balanced future inside you.
If you're finding these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more science-backed gut health strategies.
Here's what secretly destroys gut balance, and most people don't even realize it's happening. First, overusing antibiotics. They can be life-saving when prescribed properly, but using them too often wipes out not just the bad bacteria, but the good ones too. It's like burning down the entire forest to get rid of a few weeds. Your gut then has to slowly rebuild its ecosystem from scratch. Second, chronic stress. When your body is in fight or flight mode all the time, it sends stress hormones through your system that can actually change how your gut behaves. Stress tightens your digestive muscles, slows nutrient absorption, and can throw your microbial balance off course. That's why your stomach sometimes feels tense or uneasy when you're anxious. Your brain and gut are reacting together. Third, too much refined sugar. Sugar feeds the less helpful bacteria and starves the beneficial ones, allowing imbalance to grow. Over time, this can make you crave even more sweets, creating a loop that's hard to break. It's not about cutting sugar completely, just becoming mindful of how much hidden sugar sneaks into drinks and packaged foods. Fourth, lack of quality sleep. Your gut microbes follow a rhythm just like you do. When you stay up late or get inconsistent rest, your internal clock drifts out of sync and your microbes struggle to reset. A regular bedtime routine helps both your body and your gut stay in balance. And lastly, artificial sweeteners. They may save calories, but some studies suggest they can confuse your gut microbes and lead to stronger cravings later. And they may affect some people differently depending on existing gut composition. The more consistent and natural your daily habits, the happier and more stable your microbiome remains. Your gut microbes work best when you do, calm, steady, and supported by good choices every day.
Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for personal guidance.
Your gut can reset itself within 6 to 8 weeks, but only if you fuel it correctly. Here are your 5 golden rules. Eat 30 different plant-based foods each week. Variety matters more than supplements. Practice mindful eating. Don't rush. Digestion starts in your mouth. Sleep 7 to 8 hours consistently to support microbial repair. Reduce stress with short breathing breaks or meditation. Introduce probiotic and prebiotic foods daily instead of relying on pills. Remember, your gut doesn't just digest food. It creates your health story, one meal at a time. If you've made it this far, you now know why your gut decides how you think, feel, and live. Take care of this mini galaxy within, and it'll take care of you. Feed your gut, heal your body, transform your life.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to show your support. Share it with family, friends, or anyone who could benefit from these science-backed wellness insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment with your experiences or questions. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with weekly evidence-based wellness tips.